Hi everyone, myself Kamal Patyar. My roll number is 21CH130. This is my DIV assignment 2 of assembling and disassembling of the electric iron. Uh, First, I will show its working. So as you can see, the light has been opened, which shows that it is working, and the temperature is also rising slowly. Uh, Now I will give you a little bit brief description of the parts of this electric iron. Firstly, this is the plastic cover that you can see is called the pressure plate. It is called the pressure plate because it applies the equal pressure when we hold the handle and apply the force. This you can the rotating regulator which you can see is called the temperature regulator, which is used to control the temperature of the electric element that will be heated. And the back side of this iron rod is made for the connections, from where the all the circuit connections will be made. And the base plate which we see is made of the steel, which is called the base plate, which holds the heating element and the thermostat. Now let us open this electric iron to see the view from inside the parts of it. मेरे को वॉच कट भी बस बंद कर. Now I have opened these parts. The circuit after removing is this. We can see that the wire has a three wire combination. The green one is for the earthing. Its connection is made directly to the metal body, so that in any excessive current it can prevent us from getting shocked. And the red wire is the live wire, and the black one is a neutral wire. We can also see the thermostat, which on a high heating current gets melted and prevent us from the shocking, which is connected to the thermostat. The part from here, from this copper plate to the aluminum plates on the steel plate combination, is called the thermostat. The function of the thermostat is that it acts as a temperature control switch. The rotating thing, the black surface of this thing you can see is the temperature regulator, which is used to regulate the temperature by moving the thermostat. The black thing that we can see is called the cover plate. The function of the cover plate is that when the heating element will get heated, so that the temperature rising above it will be controlled by this, and we will not get the heating effect in the handle portion. And the middle portion between the base one and the cover plate is called the heating element. It is basically, in many iron strings, it is made of the nichrome wire, whose resistivity is very high, which basically functions on the Joule's effect of the heating effect. In this, the heating effect, the power supply is not given directly, but before, from one terminal it is passed to the thermostat to the another terminal of the heating element to go back to the another terminal of the heating element. Another heating element is then directly connected to the neutral wire. Now, so So this was the overall fundamental principles of the working of the electric iron. Now let us assemble these parts. इधर से भी दिखा Now I have assembled the electric iron. Again we will see that it is working or not. I hope. As we can see that the electric iron is working because it is showing the glow, so it means that it is fine with its working and the temperature is also rising. So that was my assignment. Thank you for visiting my channel.